Say that I am delighted to be here is an understatement. You know, when our young friend Faisal was talking, he said that there was cyclone and uncertainty, and I came all the way from Coimbatore driving as if it was a great feat. But let me tell you that when I see the young people, and that too entrepreneurs, who represent the condensed energy and action, idea, energy and action, convergence of the three, you become like a magnet, and I am just like a piece of iron. I just get attracted. So coming for me, it was just effortless, I think, all the way. Coming to this city of Madurai, city of Meenakshi Amman, and a city which bears the glory of several thousand years of civilization, rich cultural and commercial heritage, the city which had embassies in Rome. The kings of this place had their embassies in Rome. That was the level of transaction, and they were worried about the balance of trade because we were exporting so much that they were under stress. Coming to such a city which is known for its energy and enterprise, and also, rightly so, called Tunga Nagara, a city that doesn't sleep. For me, it's not only a privilege, it's like getting myself recharged. Thank you very much for this opportunity that you offered me, Faisal. Young India, I had opportunity to meet him before, and every time I met this young man and his friends, I felt immensely happy. Immensely happy at the fact that our country has young men and women who are keen on challenging the very challenge itself and to take the country forward. Friends, when I see such an assembly of young people, all the young, you are, as our friends from CII mentioned about, you do not wish not just to be confined to Madurai or to the state or the nation, to the world. He rightly said, because today India is not just looking at itself, but is looking at the world at large. And in fact, more than India looking at the world is looking at India today. The world is looking at India for leadership, for ideas, for innovations, for way forward into an uncertain future. And when I see the galaxy of young people full of ideas, energy and action, I feel encouraged. For a very, very long time, right from independence, the country has been led by people who are fairly old. If I'm elderly, I don't call this word old. Mostly they're very old people. Most of the time, we have been looking at the young generation as with a kind of a condescending attitude that, okay, we will make a future for you. No. Things have changed, the times have changed. Today, the nation's vision is aligned with the aspirations of the young people. And that is why we are trying to take this country forward according to the vision of yours. Because future is yours. When we say our national vision as Viksit Bharat 2047, as a fully developed India 2047, what does it mean? It means the India which you will be managing, you will be at the commanding heights wherever you are, each one of you. It will be your India. And since it will be your India, you must have a say, in fact a decisive say, how this India should be shaped. And that is where the views of the youth are so important. And we like to say, we like to build this country led by youth. That's the reality. And if you look at it last 10 years, a country which was 10th, 11th in the economy, world economy, if we have grown to the 5th, it is because of whom? If India is the fastest growing large economy in the world today, it's because of whom? It's because of the young people. Young entrepreneurs, young MSME people, young energy. If from the nowhere in the world of a startup, we are hardly a few hundred about 10 years back. Today we are among the leading startup ecosystem in the world. It's because of our young men and women who have done so. So today India is marching ahead on energy of the youth, and we have that advantage. India is a young country, we all know, and we are going to be young for some decades to come at least. So this is your decade, it's your future, it's your India. We are all with you. Friends, I'm here for interaction with you. I like to hear your anxiety, your curiosity. If you have, please flag. I'm here before you. I will try to respond as best as I can do. Thank you very much. Come forward.